Good morning, students. I Neela ma'am here. I am going to teach you today multiplication of decimal numbers, chapter 4. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. First, how will you multiply a given number, a given decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000? Here there are two steps. Step 1, write the number without a decimal point. Then shift the decimal point as many places to the right as there are number of zeros in the multiplier. What will you do? You will shift the decimal point as many places to the right as there are number of zeros in the multiplier. When you are multiplying a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. First, for this, let's take example of here. Find the product of 9.825 and 100. What will we do? We will first see how many zeros are there in 100. 2 zeros. Then from right we will shift 2 digits to the left side. Number of zeros in 100 are 2. So shift the decimal point to 2 places towards the right. Then suppose 9.825 we are going to multiply by 100. Then from here, from right, this 823, there are 3 digits. What will you write? You are going to multiply, there are 2 zeros. You will shift this 8 and 2 here before 9. 982.3. It will become 982.3. When you are multiplying 1.247 by 1000, there are how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. Then here this is decimal. These 3 digits 1, 2, 3 will be shifted here. Will shift it in the left side before decimal. Here it will become 1 as it is. Then what will, how many digits you will shift? 2, 3 digits, because there are 3 zeros here. The number will become 1247. Other example I can take here, 3.75424 multiplied by 1000. Now you see how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. Then after decimal, here you will take these 3 digits will be shifted to the left side of the decimal. This will become 3 already written, and these 3 digits 754. Then put the decimal. Remaining 2 digits are there after decimal. These 2 digits will be here after the decimal, because we are going to shift only how many digits? 3, because we are going to multiply by 1000. If 10,000 is there, then we will shift 4 digits to the left side here. In this way we multiply by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Then comes multiplication by a whole number. For this, what will you do? You will multiply the decimal number and the whole number as whole number, ignoring the decimal point, because you are given 3.25 into 3. I have just ignored this decimal. I have written this 3.25 as this 325. Ignore decimal. Multiply the decimal number and whole number as whole number, ignoring the decimal point, and now multiply by 3. Then what will you do after getting the answer? After multiplying, you have got 975. You will insert the decimal point in the product such that there are equal number of decimal places in the product as the given decimal number which is multiplied by the whole number. This is a decimal number, this is multiplied by whole number. Now after multiplying, you are having this answer 975. Now look at this decimal number. After decimal there are 2 digits. There are 2 digits. And in answer when you get, you will leave 2 digits from your right. From your right, leave 2 digits and put decimal here. Put decimal after leaving 2 digits from your right. The answer will be 3.25 into 3 will be 9.75. The point will be here. After leaving 2 digits, you will put the decimal here, because in this decimal number we are having after point 2 digits. In this way, number of decimal places in 3.25 is 2 places from the right side. Therefore 3.25 multiplied by 3 will be equal to 9.75. Now next is multiplication by a decimal number. Multiplication by a decimal number. For this, you will be given multiplication of the 2 decimal numbers. The method for this is, first multiply the decimal number as whole number. Suppose there are 2 numbers, 2.3 into 4.9. What will you do? You will first multiply decimal number as whole number, ignoring the decimal point. इनके जो पॉइंट्स हैं उनको इग्नोर करेंगे और सीधा आप 2.3 को 23 लिखेंगे, 4.9 को 49 लिखेंगे और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इग्नोरिंग द डेसिमल पॉइंट. नाउ डेसिमल प्लेसेस इन मल्टीप्लिकेंट. अब ये इस मल्टीप्लिकेंट में डेसिमल पॉइंट कितने हैं? 1. इसमें कितना है? 1. कितना है? 1. तो दूसरे मल्टीप्लायर में कितने पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट्स? 1. कितने हैं? 1 डिजिट है. तो टोटल डेसिमल प्लेसेस कितने हो गए दोनों नंबर में? पॉइंट के बाद 1 और 2. डेसिमल के बाद कितने हो गए टोटल डेसिमल प्लेसेस? 1 and 2 हो गए. तो हम क्या करेंगे कि इंसर्ट अ डेसिमल पॉइंट इन द प्रोडक्ट आफ्टर 2 डिजिट्स फ्रॉम द राइट. जब आपको आंसर आपने मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया विद इग्नोरिंग द डेसिमल साइन, तो जब आंसर आपके पास है तो आपको पता है कि पॉइंट के बाद 1 डिजिट है, इसमें पॉइंट के बाद है, तो 2 टोटल सम ऑफ द डेसिमल प्लेसेस हो गए 2. तो यहाँ से आपने इधर राइट साइड से ये 2 डिजिट छोड़ के फिर आपने यहाँ पर पुट कर देना डेसिमल. तो प्रोडक्ट विल बी शोन लाइक दिस, 2.3 इंटू 4.9 इक्वल टू 11.27. आपने क्या करना है कि पहले जो ये नंबर है मल्टीप्लाई आप कर रहे हो डेसिमल्स बाय डेसिमल, तो डेसिमल के बाद वाले डिजिट्स काउंट करने हैं 1 and 2. और फिर आपने क्या करना है, इग्नोरिंग द डेसिमल पॉइंट सीधा मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए विदाउट डेसिमल. 2.3 विल बिकम 23, 4.9 विल बिकम 49. मल्टीप्लाई किया आपने. व्हेन यू गॉट द आंसर फ्रॉम योर राइट, नाउ काउंट द आफ्टर डेसिमल काउंट द नंबर ऑफ 1 and 2. फ्रॉम योर राइट you will leave 2 digits and put decimal here. If 3 digits are there, you will leave from your right 1, 2, 3 digits, then put decimal. If you are having decimal places 3, then from your right you will leave 3 digits and then put decimal. In this way you will find the product of the decimal number, and your work is you will solve exercise 4.2 of your book. Thank you.